So how do I store my test sieves? Does something bad happen if I don't store them in a controlled environment? Well, stick around and I'll tell you everything that you need to know. Hi, my name's Candace, and you have to be mindful of how your sieves are treated, especially when they're not in use. At the top of the list of handling priorities is the way you store your sieves in between testing. W.S. Tyler is a leading North American test sieve manufacturer with over 150 years of experience. We strive to leverage the knowledge within our four walls to support your efforts to achieve consistent results for years to come. With that, we'll go over the risk of storing your sieves poorly, how you should be storing your test sieves, and the common mistakes that lab technicians can make when they're storing their sieves. The biggest concern with poorly stored sieves is damage that can occur between testing. This damage is primarily the result of accidental events, whether it's someone bumping into the sieves, causing them to fall over, or someone dropping some sort of tool on the mesh. Additionally, you have to be wary of storing sieves that have residual sample material on them. Storing sieves that aren't clean can create material accumulation, causing the mesh openings to get smaller. This in turn will cause inaccurate results. First and foremost, you'll want to make sure that your test sieves are clean and free of any leftover material. This includes properly drying them to prevent any discoloration or mold from developing in the sieve. You should stack your clean test sieves and place them in a secure area, like a storage cabinet. For heightened security, some manufacturers supply test sieve storage racks specifically designed to protect the integrity of your sieves and the mesh when not in use. There's also instances where lab technicians store their test sieves in their respective boxes with their certificates of compliance. While this isn't required, it's a great way to keep your sieves and their documentation in one location. The most common mistake that lab technicians make when storing their sieves is to not properly clean them. Not only does this raise the potential to skew the accuracy of the mesh openings, but it also increases the chances of contaminating future sample material. Another common mistake is not placing the sieves in a secure location, far from edges, sharp objects, or heavy objects. This is how you can encounter the accidental damages that I mentioned earlier. Now, while not directly related to how sieves are stored in a lab, another common issue is how sieves are stored and oriented when they're shipped out to be recertified. More times than none, lab technicians will throw all their sieves that they need certified into one box with no padding or organization. Well, what happens when in transit? The sieves bounce around and off of each other, causing dings, dents, and scratches, which will make them uncertifiable. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, fill out a Contact Us form so we can answer your specific requests. Just click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click the second link and you'll be that expert in no time. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things W.S. Tyler. Once again, my name is Candace, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.